Tree felling is no joke. One wrong move can lead to total disaster. From expert lumberjacks showcasing perfect precision to shocking near misses and costly mistakes. Today we're diving into the most intense tree felling moments ever caught on camera. You won't believe what happens in some of these clips. Let's get into it. Welcome to Lumber Tech, where steel meets timber. An excavator operator attempts to stabilize a tree while cutting, but things quickly spiral out of control. Instead of guiding the fall, the machine struggles to keep control, leading to a dangerous and unpredictable situation. Using a ladder to cut down a tree branch might seem like a quick fix, but as this clip shows, it's extremely risky. With no stable footing and no way to react if things go wrong, this method is a recipe for disaster. Cutting trees near a house should always be approached with extreme caution. One wrong cut, one miscalculation, and you're left with a very expensive mistake, just like what happens in this clip. This failed attempt at tree cutting ends in the worst possible way. The tree collapses onto a parked vehicle, crushing it under its massive weight. A costly lesson in why planning is everything. Yet another miscalculation leads to disaster. Instead of falling safely, the tree slams into the house, causing major damage. This is exactly why precision and proper technique are so important. Before cutting any trees, always make sure there are no vehicles nearby. As we see in this clip, one moment of carelessness leads to a completely avoidable accident. Here we have another amateur attempting to fell a tree on his own. Without proper technique or safety measures, the tree collapses right onto the roof, turning a simple job into a costly mistake. This clip showcases an incredible example of how to fell a tree the right way. With careful planning and execution, the tree lands exactly where intended, a perfect display of skill and precision. A burning tree is being carefully cut down by a lumberjack. Sometimes trees are set on fire before felling to weaken dead wood, prevent disease spread, or assist controlled burns. However, this method must be handled with extreme caution. In an unusual attempt at control, a car is being used to guide the tree's fall with a rope. Unfortunately, it proves far less effective than expected, as the tree resists the effort and falls unpredictably.
Oh my God.
Holy shit!
This man is barely hanging onto the tree while trying to cut a branch right next to him. The unstable position and lack of safety measures make this an extremely dangerous situation. A loose branch suddenly snaps, nearly leading to disaster. The chainsaw and helmet go flying, showing just how unpredictable tree felling can be when safety isn't the top priority. This stunning POV footage from a lumberjack gives us an up-close look at how tree felling should be done, with precision, control, and years of experience at work. Cutting down a tree next to power lines is always a risky endeavor. Luckily, in this case, professionals are on the job, carefully bringing the tree down without incident. A split second from disaster, this man's chainsaw gets stuck, and before he can react, the tree collapses, sending splinters flying everywhere. A terrifying reminder of how unpredictable this job can be.
Go all the way with it! Keep going! Faster!
This time, the tree does not go down as planned. Instead, it crashes into a power line and a fence, creating a serious hazard that could have been avoided with better preparation. This tree appears to have been dead for some time, making it especially unstable. As it finally falls, it disintegrates on impact, a reminder that dead trees can be just as dangerous as living ones. A beautifully executed tree felling. Two massive trees go down exactly as planned, demonstrating the importance of precision and control in forestry work. This man appears uncertain while cutting down a tree, and he has good reason to be. As we see in this clip, his hesitation nearly leads to disaster.
Oh shit. Seriously? Fuck.
A gigantic tree is being cut down by a master of the craft. But the real display of expertise comes after the fall, as he effortlessly climbs onto the trunk and begins cutting it into smaller sections. Yet another tree-felling mistake that could have been avoided. Without proper technique, one wrong move turns into thousands of dollars in damage. This clip serves as another reminder of why it's crucial to move vehicles away before cutting trees. A mistake like this is completely avoidable, yet happens all too often. A tree felling operation goes terribly wrong, as the tree collapses directly onto a house, causing serious structural damage. A costly lesson in why proper planning is everything.
About 10 minutes.
Yet another attempt at cutting down a tree near a house. The question is, will it go as planned this time, or is another disaster about to unfold? A man is attempting to cut down a massive palm tree, using a rope to stabilize its fall. But as we see in this clip, the rope alone isn't enough, and the situation quickly becomes unpredictable.
No kidding. No way. Here it is. Here it comes.
This clip showcases the raw power of nature. A massive tree comes crashing down, creating an extreme example of just how dangerous tree felling can be. Proper safety measures are critical when working at heights. In this clip, poor safety precautions nearly lead to serious injury, a reminder that being secured is just as important as making the cut itself. Using an excavator to help fell a tree can be effective, but only when done the right way. In this clip, poor execution results in damage that could have been avoided. This palm tree falls straight onto a parked vehicle, completely crushing it under its weight. A clear example of why tree felling should never be done near unprotected property. An excellent demonstration of how to use a rope the right way. In this clip, we see how proper guiding techniques ensure the tree falls safely and precisely. Never underestimate small trees. Even though they may look harmless, they can cause serious damage if cut incorrectly, as we see in this clip. This footage once again proves how dangerous tree felling can be. Even with experience, things can go wrong in an instant. Sometimes a chainsaw can get stuck mid-cut, creating a risky situation. The key is to stay calm and focused. In this clip, these men demonstrate a successful method for safely freeing a stuck saw without causing more damage. a massive branch comes crashing down, and because this man held on to the guiding rope, he is sent flying with incredible force. A painful lesson in why proper bracing is essential. Another close call. This time, the tree falls just inches away from a costly disaster. Fortunately, no serious damage occurred, but it could have ended much worse.
Oh God, oh no! The donuts!
The channel Goodfellas has some fantastic tree felling footage, including this one. After his chainsaw gets stuck, this skilled lumberjack uses an axe to free it and bring the tree down safely. A great display of problem solving in action. And that wraps up today's video. From expert tree felling techniques to near disasters, we've seen just how dangerous and unpredictable this job can be. Whether it's a small miscalculation or the raw power of nature, one wrong move can lead to serious consequences. If you enjoyed these intense moments, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. And tell us in the comments, which clip shocked you the most? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.